Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever loaded your dryer, waited over an hour, and then opened the door only to find your clothes still damp? It's frustrating, wastes electricity, and can make laundry day much longer than it needs to be. The good news is that in many cases, a dryer that takes too long to dry clothes doesn't need an expensive repair. The problem is often something simple that you can fix yourself in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you 5 easy fixes that can help your dryer work more efficiently again. We'll also cover a few bonus maintenance tips to help prevent this problem from happening in the future. Before we begin, remember to unplug your dryer before inspecting or cleaning any internal parts. Safety always comes first. Now, let's get started with the first and most common cause. Clean the lint filter. The number one reason a dryer takes too long to dry clothes is a clogged lint filter. Every time you dry a load of laundry, tiny fibers from your clothes collect in the lint screen. Even if it doesn't look completely blocked, a thin layer of lint can reduce airflow significantly. When airflow is restricted, the hot air can't move through the clothes properly. As a result, moisture stays trapped inside the fabric, and drying times become much longer. To fix this, remove the lint filter from your dryer. Use your fingers or a soft brush to remove all the lint. If you notice fabric softener residue on the screen, wash it with warm water and a small amount of dish soap. Allow it to dry completely before placing it back in the dryer. Many people clean the lint filter only once every few weeks. However, for the best drying performance, you should clean it after every load. It only takes a few seconds, but it can improve airflow, reduce energy consumption, and help prevent overheating. If you've never washed your lint screen with soap and water before, you may be surprised at how much invisible residue builds up over time. Now, let's move on to another very common problem. Even if the lint filter is perfectly clean, your dryer can still struggle if the vent hose is blocked. The vent is responsible for carrying hot, moist air from the dryer to the outside of your home. Over time, lint, dust, pet hair, and even bird nests can partially or completely block the vent. When this happens, the moist air stays inside the dryer instead of escaping. As a result, your clothes remain wet, the dryer runs much longer than normal, and the appliance has to work much harder. Here's how to inspect the vent. First, unplug the dryer. Carefully pull it away from the wall. Inspect the flexible vent hose for any kinks or crushed sections. Disconnect the hose if possible and remove any visible lint buildup. If you have a long vent system, use a dryer vent cleaning brush to clean deeper inside. Then, go outside your home and check the exterior vent cover. Make sure it's opening properly when the dryer is running and that there are no leaves, lint, or debris blocking it. A blocked dryer vent doesn't just increase drying time. It can also become a serious fire hazard. According to fire safety experts, lint buildup inside dryer vents is one of the leading causes of dryer fires. Cleaning the vent once or twice a year can improve efficiency, lower electricity bills, and make your dryer much safer to use. If your dryer suddenly started taking twice as long to dry clothes, this is one of the first things you should check. Coming up next, so far we've covered 2 of the biggest causes of slow drying: dirty lint filter, blocked dryer vent. But we're not finished yet. In the next part, we'll look at 3 more problems that many people overlook, including overloaded dryers, incorrect heat settings, and heating system issues that can dramatically increase drying time. These next fixes could save you from an unnecessary service call.